Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing something fun, something different, something crazy. Just because I'm bored in the house, I'm in the house bored. Alright, so, yeah, what I'm going to do is show you guys different brow looks. Alright, and it's just something fun and random to do while I'm home bored in the house bored. All right, so here is what my brows look like currently. So this brow look I have is my, how I normally do my brows. So take a good look at them because they are going to disappear rather quickly. All right, so that is what my brow look like. All right, notice the great beautiful work. Now say goodbye to them. I'm gonna take my makeup wipe, and I did do a video talking about how I made this makeup wipe. Is a money saving hack video, so go check it out. But let me go ahead and take one of my makeup wipes. You know what? I don't even know if I've uploaded that money saving hack video yet. I might have uploaded it. I'm not too sure. You guys, I forget these things. So if I uploaded it, it will definitely be in the iCard or, in my beauty YouTube channel. So goodbye, beautiful brows. So long. You will be missed. Alright. Honestly, you guys, sometimes I feel like because I do have a pretty good amount of brow hair, it's not like, my brows are completely gone. But there definitely is a difference with and without the brow products. So that is my eyebrow in the bear, in the nude. Alright, so that is what it looks like. Alright, you guys. Alright, so I'm just gonna take my little Tati Blendiful and just kind of do one of these numbers like that. Alright, so that's good. So let's first look up on Google different brow looks. Alright, so different brow looks. Different brow styles. Alright, so different brow styles. Click on images and see what they come up with. Oh, different brow shapes. Alright, so different brow shapes. So they have a bunch of images that shows you like different brow shapes. I'm gonna pick one and then we'll try them out. Alright, so I found the different brow shapes. I'll put like a little screenshot on the little video right here so you can see what I'm talking about. But I got a little brow shape, little what do you call it, guide. They have the S shape, the hard angled shape, the soft angled shape, the straight, and the rounded. Alright, so I guess we'll go in order. First is the S shape. Now this is going to look very interesting on my eyes. So, and if you're curious, the product I'm using is the e.l.f. Brow Eyeliner. Here we go. So S shape. So it kind of like dips in the front. The thing is though, I have brow hair and it's kind of difficult to, create new brow looks when you already have brow hair like mine. You know what I'm saying? But we're going to try it. So of course, you can get a glue stick and then let that dry, put foundation powder, or whatever the process is. But I don't want to do that, so we're going to work with what we got. Alright, so the S shape. On the inner part of the brow, it kind of dips in. So I'm creating that dip like that. It looks like the brows look kind of like concerned or worried or furious. It's like they're kind of frowning, but there's no lines on your face type of thing. That is what it looks like. So frown a little bit and then make the look, I guess. Whoever came out with this particular eyebrow shape, interesting. That is all I have to say. Interesting. Alright, so kind of like that and then go up. And it's not a pointy up. It's a very rounded up like so. Just fill in the rest. And okay, so that is looking pretty good, I guess. First time making this S-shaped brow. And to really showcase that like S curvature, I'm going to take a concealer and not this brush. Take a concealer and I guess I'll take this brush right here. The e.l.f. eyeliner brush, but using it as a concealer. Alright, so take my concealer and I'm going to just add it right there. Because I really want to, you know, and yes, I do realize I'm putting makeup on type of makeup type of thing, but whatever. Alright, so I switched to a different brush, just a smaller one, and I'm going to just put that right there. And then take my brow product one more time. So that looks pretty good, you guys. Let's try it on the other eye and see what this looks like when it's two S-shaped brows. So here are my completed S-shaped brows. What do you guys think? I look like I'm just really concerned and worried all the time. It's like I'm just always worried and concerned. That's the look I have right now. At least that's the vibe I'm getting when I look at myself in the mirror. So yeah, what do you guys think? You like it? You don't like it? Are you feeling it? Because honestly, I'm not feeling it at all. So that's the S-shaped brow. Alright, let's move on because I can't take myself seriously with these brows on. I'm going to wipe them off quickly and we'll go on to the next brow shape. Alright, that was pretty crazy, you guys. The next one is the hard angled brow. I'm going to quickly brush up my brow hairs with the spoolie. Okay, so the hard angled brow is probably very obvious why it's called that, because it has a nice, you know, hard angle. So what I'm gonna do is first figure out where I want the angle to be, which is, I mean, if you can tell, I do have like a naturally angled brow up there, but still, just to be safe, I'm gonna mark my little line. So I'm gonna mark right there and end it right there. And we're going to create that nice hard angle line. Okay, so here we go. And we are going to draw up our line like so. And then no curve, just right when you go up, a nice mountain peak drop down. All right, and then you just fill in the rest. Like that. So you draw your line up to the top, fill that in, you get to the top, and then you just drop down, make that nice pointy mountain peak, and there you go. Okay, so that was pretty quick. Definitely a lot quicker to do than those S-shaped brows. I guess the main part of this brow is to make sure that your brows are pointy at the top. You want that nice hard angle. That's like the main part. So make sure you are creating that nice hard angle, and then brush out your brows very lightly. It does need a little bit more perfection, but this is what the hard angle eyebrow looks like. Nice little point right there. And this one looks a lot more normal than the S-shaped brows in my opinion. Still not my style, not my vibe, but you know, if I had to pick one out of the two, I'd probably walk out with brows like this than the S-shaped one. So let's try the third one. So the next one, you guys, is simple. It is the soft angle brows, and really it's just the same makeup eyebrow look, except at the end, instead of that nice hard angle, you are creating a soft angle. So just kind of wipe off that mountain point, the little mountain peak you created for that hard angle brow. All right, gently wipe that off. And bada bing, bada boom. That is a soft angle brow right there. Boom, done. Number 3, third brow look right there. Soft angle brows. This looks even more normal. What is normal, by the way? But even more wearable or normal to me at least. This is more of a look I can definitely go out and feel like what do you call it? I can go to church or to an interview, whatever. All right, so here is this is more my style. Let's just put it that way. Here is a brow look that is definitely more my style. Right there. Ta-da. Done. All right, that's number 3. Number 4, let's see what it is. Number 4 is the straight brows. Ooh, this one I do want to try just because the straight brow is more of a Korean style makeup look. And I want to try that out. Yes, I want to try it because if you don't know, I am Korean. Or at least that's what my parents tell me. Okay, but all jokes aside, it's a Korean style makeup look, and since my brows are naturally arched, I tend to go for a arched makeup look, but we're gonna make this work. All right, so how do I do this? I'm gonna, I guess, brush my brows down as much as I can, and then brush it out, down and out. Alright, so now taking the brush or the product, the eyebrow product, I'm going to literally draw a straight line right where I want the brows to start on the inner corner. And then don't follow the arch, just draw a straight line. Draw a straight line. Like so. I feel like this is a lot more difficult for me because I want to naturally create that arch on my eye because I'm just so used to it. But no, draw a straight line straight across, and then just a little tail that dips down, but really it's just a nice straight line. Alright, let's try again on this side. So, just drawing a straight line across, like so. I feel like my left eye is a little bit difficult to do just because of all that brow hair I have. I'm gonna try and make it work. Alright, for this one, you guys, I feel like I have to go in with extra product. I'm just gonna take this brow gel. This one in particular is the Anastasia brow gel. I'm gonna first brush up the front part of my brow hair like that, make it stand up, and then the rest I'm gonna brush outside, like outward, like so, and then just kind of sweep down. So again, I'm going to brush out, straight line, brush out, and then brush down. Brush out. Yeah, my left brow is a little bit janky looking, but we're just having fun here. So, this is my straight brow look. What do you guys think? Did I do a good job? I have to get used to it because it's just not the type of brow style I do. But does it look good? You like it? Does it make me look even more Korean? I don't know. But this is the straight brow look. I'm not sure how I feel about it. So far, my favorite one is just the rounded high angle look. What is it called again? The soft angle look. That's my favorite one so far. Yeah. Straight brows. Let's go ahead and try out the last one and then wrap things up. Okay, so the last brow look is the rounded brow look. So to do that, I'm going to just literally make like a round, like rainbow, like that. you're not really, there is no arch. You're just making like a round rainbow type of shape. Like so. Just like that. This almost looks like that soft arch brow, but I promise it's just the round. Yeah. Just round and simple, like a half a circle type of thing. So that's the round shape brow. That is the final brow look. All right, so four, was it four? Yeah, four different brow looks, you guys. Which one's your favorite? Let me know down below. Comment down below which one your favorite is. I want to know. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I just did a quick, fun video doing different brow looks. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and like this video. That way I can know you like it. Comment down below what other videos that you want me to do. And yeah, that's it, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, subscribe, hit that bell, and that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I will talk to you next time. Bye, guys.
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls.